Hi and hello. If you're thinking right now, you are carrying water. Think about that. I'd like to start today's vlog about innovation and what innovation means to us as humans, to mankind. For example, during the Industrial Revolution, innovation that took place approximately from 1750 through 1850 released mankind from menial manual labor. Wouldn't you agree? People used to carry water in buckets, right? Up and down, back and fro, everywhere. You would pick up your bucket and carry that water for certain distances. That changed because innovation brought industrialization. With it came machines, primitive robots, basically. We learned how to automate a lot of processes that help us today, up until today, do our chores. I mean, think about a car, for example, the one that I'm driving. Okay, it was born during that era. It replaced the horse and the carriage. So anyhow, why did I say that if you're thinking right now, you are carrying water? Well, today, another yet innovation era is taking place. It's taking shape as we speak right now, as you are listening and watching this video. We are being not replaced, but we are being offered a chance for the first time not to think. If industrialization relieved us from manual labor, today's technology, computers, are relieving us from thinking. Think about that, but you don't have to. Just type it in Google or any other web browser and see what comes up. You don't have to think about this. Talk to you later.